Welcome to the world of AI-driven marketing. Today, we are diving into the top 7 AI marketing tools that simplify and supercharge your promotional efforts. From automating tasks to understanding customer behavior, these tools are the game changers for the businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a marketing pro or just starting, join us as we explore user-friendly solutions that harness the power of artificial intelligence to elevate your marketing strategy. Let's make marketing smarter and more efficient together. Let's start with the first AI marketing tool, which is Jasper AI. Jasper is an AI co-pilot designed for enterprise marketing teams. It is an artificial intelligence-powered content creation tool designed to assist users in generating high-quality written content quickly. It supports various formats including blog posts, social media updates, and marketing copy. To use it, input a content brief or topic. Choose the desired tone and format, and Jasper will generate the content which you can then redefine as needed. Alright, now let's talk about features. First, company knowledge. Infuse your content with brand and product positioning, company strategy and audience research. Then team acceleration. Streamline project management and content creation. Then AI-assisted content. From idea to execution, Jasper assists with creation on brand content. After that, there is analytics and insights. Gain actionable insights from social data. Now let's talk about how to use it. First, sign up. Begin by creating an account on Jasper AI's website. Then choose your template. Select a template based on content you want to create. Example, blog post, email, social media post, etc. Then input your parameters. Provide the AI with context or parameters such as the topic, tone, and key points you want to cover. Then generate content. Click the generate button to produce your content. Then edit and refine. Review the generated content, make necessary edits, and refine it to meet your needs. So this was about Jasper AI. Now coming to the next one, which is Sprout Social. So Sprout Social is a social media management tool that helps businesses manage their online presence across multiple platforms. It offers features for scheduling posts, analyzing social media performance, and engaging with audience. To use it, connect your social media account, plan your content calendar within the platform, and utilize the analytics to improve engagement and reach. Now let's talk about features. So first is engagement. Manage social interaction, respond to messages, and engage with your audience with this app. Next is publishing. So schedule and publish your content across various platforms. The next feature is analytics. Monitor performance and track social data. Then there is listening. Understand conversation and trends. After that, there is advocacy. Turn followers into brand advocates. Now let's talk about how to use this. So first, create an account. Sign up for Sprout Social and connect your social media accounts. Then dashboard overview. Navigate through the dashboard to get an overview of the connected profiles and analytics. Then schedule post. Use the publishing feature to create and schedule your social media post across different platforms. Next is engage with your audience. Monitor mention, comments, and messages through the engagement tab and respond to them directly. After that, there is analyze performance. Utilize the analytics tools to measure the performance of your post and strategies and adjust accordingly. So this was about Sprout Social. Next up we have is Brandmark AI. So Brandmark AI is an AI-driven design tool that creates unique brand identities including logos, color palettes, and brand guidelines. To use it, provide basic information about your basic and preferences, and Brandmark will generate a variety of branding options. You can then customize your favorite option to perfectly fit your brand's need. Alright, now talking about its features. First one is logo creation. Generate unique logos using AI. Then customization. Personalize your logo with text, icons, colors, and sizes. Then there is scheduling. Easily schedule and publish content. After that, there is analytics. Monitor progress and performance. Now let's talk about how to use this tool. First, input your brand name. Start by entering your brand name and any optional keywords that describe your business. Select your preferences. Choose styles, colors, and icons you prefer for your brand identity. Then generate options. Let the AI generate logo options and brand identities based on your preferences. Then customize. Select a design and further customize it according to your needs, adjusting colors, fonts, and layouts. Then there is download assets. Once satisfied, download the brand assets package, which includes logos, color palettes, and brand guidelines. Alright, now coming to the next AI marketing tool, which is Taplio. So Taplio is an AI-powered LinkedIn assistant. It is an AI tool focused on LinkedIn, designed to help users grow their LinkedIn presence through the content creation, engagement insights, and profile optimization. To use Taplio, connect your LinkedIn account, use the content creation and schedule features to maintain a consistent posting schedule, and follow its analytics to adjust your strategy for better engagement. Now talking about this tool's features. First one is content creation. Get AI generated post ideas and improve your content scheduling. Easily schedule LinkedIn post. Then there is lead generation. Import people who interacted with your post. You can do that in this tool. The next is analytics. Monitor your progress and optimize your strategy. Alright, so these were the features. Now talking about how to use this. First, sign up and connect LinkedIn. Create a Taplio account and connect your LinkedIn profile. Then content ideas and creation. Utilize Taplio's content ideas and creation features to draft compelling LinkedIn posts. After that, analyze performance. Use the analytics features to track the performance of your LinkedIn content and engagement. Next is engage with your network. Follow Taplio's recommendation to engage with your network, such as who to connect with and which posts to interact with. Next is schedule post. Plan and schedule your LinkedIn content directly through the Taplio's consistent posting. So this was about Taplio. Now coming to the next AI marketing tool, which is Adcreative. So Adcreative.ai is an artificial intelligence tool designed for marketers and businesses aiming to enhance their advertising efforts. It utilizes machine learning algorithms to analyze a wealth of performance data and design trends, enabling the creation of visually appealing and high-performing ad creatives. The platform integrates seamless with major advertising networks such as Google Ads, Facebook Ads, offering user data-driven recommendation to optimize their ad designs. This technology facilitates the production of ads that are more likely to resonate with target audience, potentially increasing conversion rates and maximizing advertising ROI. Now talking about features, automated creative generation for ads, integration with popular ad platforms like Google and Facebook, then there is performance-based creative suggestion. Now let's talk about how to use it. Sign up and integrate your ad accounts. Input your campaign goals and preferences. Use the AI recommendations to generate and deploy ad creatives. So this was about Adcreative.ai. Next AI marketing tool is Durable. So Durable is a comprehensive AI-powered marketing tool designed to automate and streamline various marketing tasks, including content creation, email marketing, and customer segmentation. Leveraging advanced AI, Durable aims to enhance operational efficiency and personalize marketing efforts. The platform offers features such as automated content generation, tailored to specific marketing goals, intelligent email campaign management, and precise customer segmentation based on behavioral data. This enables businesses to deliver more relevant and engaging content to their audience, improving engagement rates and fostering deeper customer relationships. Talking about its features, AI-driven content creation and optimization, automated email marketing campaigns, advanced customer segmentation using AI, etc. Then how to use this one? Create an account and configure your marketing channels. Then set up your marketing campaigns and input objectives. Let the AI automate and optimize your task based on the performance data. So this was about this tool. Now coming to the next one, which is the seventh, that is Customgpt.ai. So Customgpt.ai offers a platform for business to develop bespoke artificial intelligence models tailored to the unique content creation needs. This tool empowers users to generate personalized content ranging from marketing materials to customer service responses, leveraging the power of AI for enhanced relevance and engagement. Customgpt.ai stands out by providing the capability to train AI models with the specific data sets, ensuring the output aligns closely with brand's voice and objectives. The platform facilitates the seamless integration of these custom models into existing workflows, automating content generation, process, and enabling more efficient operations. So talking about its features, custom AI model creation for specific business needs, high quality content generation for various purposes, then integration capabilities with existing systems and workflows. Now let's see how to use it. First of all, you'll have to define your content needs and goals, then train your custom AI model with the relevant data. Integrate the model into your workflow for automated content generation. And there you have it, guys. the top 7 AI marketing tools that can transform the way you approach your marketing endeavors. From the intuitive insights of Jasper AI to the social media prowess of Sprout Social, the visual appeal crafted by Brandmark.ai, and the creative brilliance of tools like Adcreative.ai and Customgpt.ai. These are the tools that bring innovation and efficiency to your marketing toolkit. Thanks for joining us on this insightful journey into the future of marketing.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.